Alright, back on 9dimesproject.com or 9dimesproject on YouTube, 9dimesproject.com. If you're an educator, we have a template for you. It's an 8-week template. But today, we're talking about your money personality. And this is for everyone. Your money personality is what's costing you thousands. This is part 1 of a 3-part series. Let's get to it. So, understanding your money personality prevents self-sabotage. All right, in this series, over the next 3 weeks, we're going to show you how to break free from trading time for money. And it may take you a while, but this is what you want to build in your mind. All right, so let's understand your money personality. Because it's either making you rich or it's keeping you broke. Let's find out which. Are you a spender? Are you a saver? Are you an investor? Or are you a giver? Your answer determines everything. Alright, so let's briefly go through the 4 money personalities. Your spender means you live for today. You have the YOLO mindset. You only live once. And you struggle to save money. And so the saver hoards money, struggles to enjoy it, or invests it, which we do want to invest. And the investor thinks long term. Like I said, we do want to invest, but we don't want that to be everything where we don't enjoy life. The investor thinks long term, comfortable with calculated risk. And the giver is generous to a fault and puts everyone else first. Each type self-sabotages. The spender be like, I'll save tomorrow. And then they never save. And they live paycheck to paycheck. And the saver, say they earn $50,000 but they only save in that 0.01% category, and they lose their money to inflation. Then the investor takes too much risk and loses big, and the giver gives until they're broke. And you can't help anyone because they're drowning. The strengths of each type. The spender knows how to enjoy life. And the saver is disciplined. And it's foundation to wealth, as they say. And the investor is a visionary. And the giver has purpose. How to leverage your personality. Spender, you want to automate your savings first, then spend guilt-free. Saver, set a fun budget and force yourself to spend 10%. 10% on joy. At least 10 to 20%. And the investor, balance with guaranteed savings. Don't bet all of it. And the giver, put your oxygen mask on first, save 30%, then give 10%. So, example for me, I used to be like really miserly, but that was long ago. Now I'm split between a spender and an investor. So now I try to be more cautious and invest more than I spend. That's all. Alright, so now you know your money personality. Next week in part 2, we're going to show you why your job, which is salary, is capping your wealth, even if you have a high salary. Even if you make 6 figures every year, 6 figures plus. I mean, it's good, but you're still capped. Your wealth is still capped. Actually, you could get into, if you're high enough earning salary, if you're investing correctly, then you're not necessarily capped at that point, but you got to be making a really high salary. But if you're making that high salary, chances are you don't have time for much. If you're in a W-2 type, if you're earning a W-2 type salary. But as a reminder, we do have our wealth building tools with the links in the description. Get the Wealth Builder budget template, savings goal calculator, and the 30-day money challenge tracker. And these 3 tools are good, especially good when you're first starting out. They work, but only if you use them. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe, like, or share. And I'm going to be dropping the next video on Monday. It's going to be part 2 of our series on multiple income streams. Alright, that'll do it for now. We'll see you next week. Peace.